Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel at home with sugar. First, gather your simple ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and a small amount of lemon juice or cream of tartar. Next, choose a heavy-bottomed saucepan. This is crucial for even heating and preventing your caramel from burning. Finally, have a heat-proof surface or an ice bath ready to halt the cooking process quickly when your caramel is done. Now, combine your sugar and water in the saucepan. Stir gently just until the sugar fully dissolves. Place the pan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a boil without stirring. Resist the urge to stir once it's boiling. Instead, simply watch the syrup. You'll see it transform from clear to a beautiful golden amber color as it cooks.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy cooking tips. On another note, while your kitchen might get a little sticky making caramel, you can keep the rest of your home spotless. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Keep cooking until your caramel achieves a rich, deep amber hue. This is the sweet spot, so don't let it get too dark or it will taste bitter. The moment it reaches that perfect color, remove the pan from the heat right away. If you're adding butter or cream for a richer sauce, do so very carefully as the mixture will bubble up quite a bit. Safety first. Hot caramel is incredibly hot and can cause serious burns, so please be extremely cautious and avoid splashes. Once your caramel has cooled completely, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store it at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. If it hardens, simply reheat it gently in a microwave or over a double boiler until it's pourable again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.